Yo, what's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco. I'm back with a hit and a smash out banger. You already know what time it is. People, we're back in the music lab with an artist that's no stranger to the channel. I'm talking about Prince Swanny. Yeah, man, Prince Swanny, no stranger to the channel. Dropped a new song called Rockstar, and we're gonna check it out and see what's up. You don't know what time it is. And people, yeah, I'm gonna check it out and see what time it is, people. And before we even jump in the track, people, go ahead and take the time to hit the like and subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell so you get my videos as soon as I upload it. You don't know. It's the latest reaction channel on YouTube, latest dopest reaction one-man podcast reaction channel on YouTube. So go ahead, hit that like, subscribe button. The vibes is here. The vibes never stop. We keep it going. Prizes and surprises coming. You already know what time it is. Yo, we'll lead over here. So yeah, man. Yeah, man, people, we're there in our music lab with Prince Swanny, Rockstar. Prince Swanny is no stranger to the channel, one of the top Trinidad dancehall artists out. Really doing his thing, career been really successful. People really gravitated when he joined the game. Did multiple collabs with lots of dancehall, Jamaican dancehall artists. And he's just doing his thing, man. He dropped a new track called Rockstar. We're going to check it out, see what's going on, see if it's a hit or miss. But you don't know. Prince Swanny very talented, always does his thing. So I'm hoping for the best. I'm thinking it's going to be a vibe. So we're not going to the vibes, we're still going to jump right into the track. This is Prince Swanny, Rockstar. Let's get it. You got iced out in this shit, boy.
Yo, B man. Me see like them boy them I eat and them.
Easy on man, upon the man chain, man. Upon the man chain, man. Prince Swanny, you been doing your thing. Seeing that the music game been good to you, I'm glad, you know.
See all of them a chat up in a them bumbo clad. Me don't know what them a talk about.
See all of them a chat up them bumbo clad, but me don't know what them a talk about. I stay in my own zone, in my own lane, I do my own thing. Now I meds them, don't it? Come in, man.
The same girl when me love, she might go and get fucked tomorrow. Certain things in her.
Whoa. Yo, that started off very strong, man. I truth, truth hurts, But yo, the one started off strong on the one, man. I'm ready for that. You're just gonna hit us over the head like that, Prince? Huh? That's what you doing? Let's get it.
Them a chat up in a them bumbo clad. Me don't know what them a talk about.
What them a talk about? Yeah.
The same girl when me love, she might go and get fucked tomorrow. Certain things in her this life make me can't trust my shadow. Never drop my standard, them pussy go drop the value.
Fox. Yo. Girl me love, might go and get fucked tomorrow. Certain things what happen in her life, but me not trust. Yo, Jaja. That, well on them, man. Come in, man.
The same girl when me love, she might go and get fucked tomorrow. Certain things in her this life make me can't trust my shadow. Never drop my
certain thing I like, me can't even trust my shadow. Come on,
standard, them pussy go drop the value.
Nah, drop me standard. Make them pussy there and drop my value. Never. Come in, man.
100 man them send for me, but couldn't reach the bars you. Some killers ever at my foot all when me over brought to. Them saving already for smoke when Bob done smoke.
Killers them ever there foot all when me are brother. I'm tunu.
Cartoon, me see no vloggers them a go on like them just know my life too. We plan this in your garden, tell them me live.
Ooh, you say no vloggers are going like they know my life too. Me not there for that, Me there for the music and the entertainment and enjoyment. When I pan the reggae break and tail like the rest of them, you see me different. Stay in my alone, me I do my thing. Yo, it's Prince, talk
feel like a rockstar. You that be living like a rock star. Yeah, you that be
hey, this different coming.
living like a rockstar. Yeah, you that be living like a rock star.
That mad. Yo. Those King Prince Swanny upon the same car. Prince Skeng just come out with a song called Elvis Presley, where he's like, yeah man, the Jamaican Elvis Presley man live like a pop star. As now this Prince I say my Rockstar. He's the man Prince. Swanny coming.
It's like me make it out in time because me heard them want me die. Me been a doubt it for a while, but now me see them in disguise. My birth.
Whew. Old man say, look at make it out on time. Come here, they want to see me die. You see me did that, but they in a disguise.
That them didn't want me strive. Don't want me make it in a life. A long time me was the shit to me be nah about flies. Just get a few.
Long time me had the shit told me about flies. Come in, man.
With code I black now me feel like me a grind. Sketch a flight, check out the miles. I know me living like a spy. Come like me circling them cerebrum to me upon the mind. Watch out me cut she at a lie. To take it.
Bala, man. Watch out me cut she at a lie. Bamba, father. Big up yourself, Swanny. Big up yourself, blow. Valiant, build up yourself, dog. What you mean, dog? You all over. Father, cut you at a lie. Nah, man, a lie. Come in.
Just see the watch. Plus the chain for match it up. Right now my money up. Rich no fuck. Pull up in the Lambo truck. Free.
Hey, yeah, check my watch. Plus me money if you match it up. Right now, come in.
Them to all of my cause. Still a hustle up on the block. Nah give up. Dog we solid as a rock. And my dog jump on the top. Been afraid for clock the top. Cause we rough. Been no really give.
Now my dog jump on the top. Not afraid for clock the top. Cause we rough. I'm Tio. Now give up. Here for yourself.
Give a fuck. Cause we ever had the Glocks, them chip up, one press a head boss. Tell them me live it like.
Y'all be of yourself, cause we ever have the Glock, them chip up, one wrong move and you get head boss. I'm Tono. Yeah man, roob boop boop boop. Yeah Z.
Like a rockstar, 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 rockstar. You da be living like a rock star, star, yeah, star, star. Yeah, you da be living like a rockstar, rockstar.
I mean, man, live like a rock star, yo. You see me? You see me? Been gangster your whole life, you know, been doing your thing, and you make it out. Time to live like a rock star, you know, put the bad days behind you. And live and enjoy some life. What you mean? I always say get a you to make it. What you mean? What you say?
You be living like a rock star, 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 star. Rockstar, 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 rock.
Yeah, man, I rate this, man. I like this. Man. Yeah, man. Mad tune. Prince Swanny, you did your thing, that. I rate this. Rockstar, I like it. You see me? You see me? You sure say you've been through the struggles. You see me now, you make it. You see me, I live like a rock star. You see me, I know that to make it, I figure out, say, yo, certain people, they fear. You see me, you make it out just in time. Because certain people want you dead on this thing. So, yeah, man, I rate the song. It's a dope song. People think it's a party song, but in reality, that's about a message. About people that you couldn't even trust. People thought it was a friend or being fake. Even a girl, they don't probably cheat on your things happening in your life, or you can't even trust a shadow. You know what I'm saying? But now that you make it, you seem like you make it out just in time, and you know, now you live like a rock star. You see me? God fear dog. You see me? Really dope track. You know what I'm saying? Real dope track. It's a fun track with message and lessons behind it. You know what I'm saying? But you can still vibe and party. You see me? Which is dope. Yeah, man, people. Real dope track. Let me know what y'all think about that in the comment section. Go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button. Turn on the post notification bell. And let me know what you guys want me to react to next. And I'll definitely get it done. You already know. Yeah, man. Real vibes. It was a dope vibe. Lyrics, melody, video was hard as hell. Outfit, chains, girls, bag. Yeah, man. Real dope track. Real dope track. Prince Swanny, you did your thing. If you like, you guys go show the artist some love and support. Let him know that Jambisco Dan sent you. Let him know that the Jambisco Dan army is strong over here. Let him know that we're lit. You know what I'm saying? I will show support and appreciation. So go. Let him know that Jambisco Dan sent you. And then definitely drop your comments in the comment section. Hit the like and subscribe button. Turn on bonus post notification bell. Let me know what you want me to react to next, and I'll definitely get it done. You already know, guys. It's your boy Jambisco. I was here with another hit and a smash on the banger. Until next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys, and I'm out.